guys, today I thought I'd share with you how I prepare and make my dehydrated apples for my dogs. The first thing you're going to need is a slicer, a dehydrator. If you don't have a slicer, you can just use a regular knife to slice, an apple core, and apples. Okay, the first thing I do to prepare my apples is I cut the ends off. And I take my core, punch right through the core, take the core out, so you're left with your apple, no core. I leave the skins on. Just like so. I'll be back when I get all these done. Okay, after I got all my apples cut and cored, I mixed 4 cups of water and a half a cup of lemon juice. After I slice the apples, I'm going to put them in here, and that'll help them to keep from browning so much. Now, actually I'm going to move this out of the way. Now I'm going to take my apples. Hopefully you can see this. My kitchen is so small. Take my slicer. Whoops. I'm going to slice my apples and make little apple rings. That'll get them nice and thin, and they'll all be even, so they'll all dehydrate about the same time. Kind of tedious, but it makes the slicing go a lot faster. There you go. I'll be back when I get all these ready to put on the dehydrator. Also, I was going to let you know, if any of your pieces break or mess up, don't throw them away, because dogs love them. Just raw. They don't even have to be dehydrated. Here. No wastes here. Okay, so my apples have been sitting in the water and lemon juice for a while. Hopefully this will help keep them from turning too brown. If they turn brown, who cares? Dogs don't care. They just care that it tastes good. So I'm going to lay my apple rings around the tray of the dehydrator. Just kind of leave a teeny bit of space in between the apples for the airflow. Just keep filling up your trays until they're full. I'll be back after I get all that done. Okay, got all my trays filled up. Well, I got 6 of my 8 trays filled up. I think there was about 10 apples. They weren't real big apples. So I filled up 6 trays. And apples are going to take longer than sweet potatoes like I did in my last video. They have a lot more moisture. So it is 11 a.m. So we'll see. I'm thinking they're going to take probably 10 to 12 hours. So I may have to shoot the taste testing tomorrow morning if they're not done tonight. But anyways, so just put your lid on. Whoop. Doesn't want to go on. Plug it in. And there you go. Again, this is the dehydrator I'm using. Oops, I don't have a tray on there right. That's the dehydrator I'm using. And I'll be back when they're done. Okay guys, it's 11:30 at night and the dogs have all been sleeping for a while now. but my dehydrated apples are done. So I figured I would, turned out good actually. Didn't turn very brown like I thought they were going to. So I thought I'd hurry up and give the dogs a taste test. Actually, it's kind of dark out here. Let me see. Oh, here we go. Hi, Max. Hi, guys. No, Marley. Okay. See how they like these. Come on, Ozzy. Come, Maggie. Do you like those? Looks like they're a hit. Dehydrated apples. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.